What is good, YouTube? It is your boy Costa Nostra, right back at you guys with the quickness once again. Another unboxing, fam. Let's get right into it. Bang! Alright guys, another Kyrie 4 box, guys. I've been going hard on this silhouette. Kyrie 4 in a size 11, anthracite / black. I hope I said that right. Let's check the sneaker out. Bang! Alright, there she is. Super dope. Kyrie 4, year of the monkey things, alright? Now this started out as an international release overseas. We didn't get them over here in the States. I want to say it dropped like something like 3 weeks ago. All black uppers. Got some cool textures going on here. Super dope. Black laces. You got a monkey emblem on the left shoe in red. On the right shoe you have it in blue. And then that outsole, which on the Kyrie 4 has really been dope. A lot of dope colors have really kind of carried some of these silhouettes. And this one is no exception. You got black to blue to a super bright like highlighter orange to red to black to white on that sole. Gonna make for some really dope lace pairing options. The insoles on the shoe match the monkey on that tongue, so you got a red insole on the left shoe, blue insole on that right shoe. Super dope. I really like these. The swoosh is like a felt type material, so all in all you've got some different materials, different textures going on this shoe, which really I think sell the shoe. Gonna swap the laces up on these things. Stay tuned for that video. Without further delay, fam, let's check these things out on feet. Appreciate you guys rocking with me. It's your boy Costa Nostra. Smash that thumbs up button for me, guys. Sub to the channel if you haven't yet, and let's check these things out. Stay blessed, fam. Peace.